Hello, how are you? Are you safe? Welcome to mathematics class. What we have studied in last class? Yes, we studied about some special type of multiplication, that is multiplication by 10, 20, 30, etc. up to 90 and multiplication by 100, 200, 300, etc. up to 900. Today we will see the multiplication of number by 2-digit number. We will start our class with a silent prayer. You may please stand up, join your hands, close your eyes and bow your head. Okay. So, we can see an example for multiplication by 2-digit number. First, we will study the multiplication of a 2-digit number by a 2-digit number. Consider the numbers 42 and 21. We are going to multiply these two numbers. We are going to multiply 42 by 21. Till now we have seen the multiplication of a number by 1-digit number. Our multiplier was a 1-digit number. Here our multiplier is a 2-digit number. Okay. So our multiplicand is 42 and our multiplier is 21. Both the numbers having 2 digits. So our places are tens place and ones place. Our multiplicand is 42. So we are arranging these arranging 42 in place value check. That is 4 in tens place and 1 in 2 in ones place. Likewise 21 also. 21. And we are going to multiply these two numbers. First we are considering the ones digit in multiplier. First we are considering the ones digit in multiplier, that is 1. Okay, that is 1. We are going to multiply 42 by 1. 1 twos are, here we are using the multiplication table of 1. 1 twos are 2. Then we are going to multiply 1 with 4. 4 ones are 4. So we are writing 4 in tens place. There is no other digit. So we finished the multiplication by ones digit. നമ്മൾ വൺസിൻ്റെ ഡിജിറ്റ് കൊണ്ട് നമ്മുടെ മൾട്ടിപ്ലിക്കൻറ്റിനെ നമ്മൾ മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്തു. മൾട്ടിപ്ലയറിലെ വൺസിൻ്റെ ഡിജിറ്റ് കൊണ്ട് മൾട്ടിപ്ലിക്കൻറ്റിനെ മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്തു. So we finished the multiplication with this digit. So we can rub these lines. Then we are going to multiply with the tens digit of our multiplier. Which is the tens digit of our multiplier? Yes, it is 2. So we are going to multiply 42 by tens digit of multiplier, that is 2. In a multiplier, 10ന്റെ ഡിജിറ്റ് കൊണ്ട് നമ്മളുടെ മൾട്ടിപ്ലിക്കൻറ്റിനെ മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യാൻ പോവാണ്. ബിഫോർ ദാറ്റ് യു മസ്റ്റ് നോട്ടീസ് ദാറ്റ് we are going to write the answer of this multiplication in another row. This is ones product. Ones product. That means we get this product while we are multiplying the ones digit of the multiplier by multiplicand. Ones product എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ നമ്മുടെ മൾട്ടിപ്ലയറിൻ്റെ വണ്ണിൻ്റെ ഡിജിറ്റ് കൊണ്ട് മൾട്ടിപ്ലിക്കൻറ്റിനെ മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്തപ്പോൾ കിട്ടിയ പ്രോഡക്റ്റാണ്. മൾട്ടിപ്ലയറിലെ വൺസ് ഡിജിറ്റ് കൊണ്ട് മൾട്ടിപ്ലിക്കൻറ്റിനെ മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്തപ്പോൾ കിട്ടിയ പ്രോഡക്റ്റ് നമ്മൾ ഫസ്റ്റ് റോയിൽ എഴുതി. നെക്സ്റ്റ് മൾട്ടിപ്ലിക്കേഷൻ ഈസ് ബൈ tens digit of multiplier. അടുത്തതായിട്ട് നമ്മൾ മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യാൻ പോകുന്നത് ടെൻസിന്റെ ഡിജിറ്റ് വെച്ചാണ്. അത് നമ്മൾ അടുത്ത റോയിലാണ് എഴുതാൻ പോകുന്നത്. ഈ റോയിൽ എഴുതൂല, ഈ ലൈനിൽ എഴുതൂല, അടുത്ത ലൈനിലാണ് എഴുതാൻ പോകുന്നത്. And before that, you must have to notice that the ones place in next row must be 0. ഈ 1ന്റെ പ്ലേസിലെ അടുത്ത ലൈനിലെ ഡിജിറ്റ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് എപ്പോഴും 0 ആയിരിക്കും. കാരണം we are multiplying by tens digit. So onesന്റെ പ്ലേസ് എപ്പോഴും 0 ആക്കി വെക്കണം. And this is tens product. First row is ones product and second row is tens product. Okay. Ones product and tens product. So we are starting our multiplication with tens digit. So we multiply tens digit by 42. 2 2s are 4 and we are writing that product in tens place. We have already put a 0 in ones place. So we are starting our answer from tens place. 2 2s are 4. Then 2 4s are or 4 2s are. 4 2s are 8 and we are writing our result in hundreds place. One more place, we must have one more place and that is hundreds place, and we are writing that answer in hundreds place. So 4 2s are 8. We are writing 8 in hundreds place. Then you must have to add these products. You must have to add ones product and tens product. 0 plus 2 or 2 plus 0 is 2. 4 plus 4 is 8. Then here is nothing to add. So 8. 882 is our answer. 882. Next example is we are going to multiply 122 by 32. Here our multiplicand is a 3-digit number and multiplier is a 2-digit number. So we are arranging these numbers in our place value chart. 122 is our multiplicand. 122 multiplied by 32. 32 is having only 2 digits. So we are arranging them in tens and ones place. 122 into 32. First we multiply ones digit of the multiplier by multiplicand. ആദ്യം നമ്മൾ മൾട്ടിപ്ലയറിന്റെ വൺസിലെ ഡിജിറ്റ് കൊണ്ട്, 1ന്റെ പ്ലേസിലെ ഡിജിറ്റ് കൊണ്ട് മൾട്ടിപ്ലിക്കൻറ്റിനെ മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യണം. Then what is the name of that product? Yes, ones product in first line. Ones product. Okay. Then we are starting our multiplication. First we start from ones place. 2 2s are. 2 2s are. You already know the multiplication table of 2, right? Yes. 2 2s are 4. So we are start writing from this is ones place and this is also ones place. So we are writing our answer in ones place. 2 2s are 4. Again 2 2s. 2 2s are 4 in tens place. Then 1 2s are 2 in hundreds place. 1 2s are 2 in hundreds place. So we finished our multiplication with ones digit of the multiplier. Now we are going to multiply our multiplicand by tens digit. Before that, you must have to remember that the ones place must be 0. This ones place must be 0 in tens product. Next we are going to find out tens product, and in that the ones place must be 0. So we are putting 0 in ones place. Then we are starting our multiplication. First we multiply our tens digit with ones digit. 2 3s are. Can you please write the multiplication table of 3 in your calculation column and underline the entries corresponding for 2 and 1. Hope you finished writing the multiplication table. Then underline the entry corresponding to 2 in 3's table. 2 3s are 6, and we are writing our answer in tens place, that is 6. Then again 2 3s are. 2 3s are 6. Then 1 3s are. 1 3s are 3, but we have already written this answer in hundreds place. So one more place is there, thousands place, that is represented by TH. We have already seen this TH, thousands place. So 1 3s are 3. We are writing thousands place. Then you must have to add this ones product and tens product. So ones product plus tens product. 4 plus 0 is 4. 4 plus 6 is 10. So we are writing 0 here and carry 1 here. Okay. Then 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 6 is 9. So it's 4 plus 0 is 4 here. 4 plus 6 is 10. We are writing 0 here and carry 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 6 is 9. There is nothing to add with this 3. So we are writing 3 here. 3904.